Jessica. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to jump on here real quick and show you this quick little tutorial I did. We're still enjoying a lot of our fall decor items that we have. Some of our flowers have recently dried out, and just enjoying some of those last minute blooms that are coming out in the fall before the winter time hits here and everything goes into hibernation. And on some of these cooler nights, it's just great to sit beside a fire and just really enjoy the scenes and everything that just comes with the end of fall. So I wanted to show you guys real quick this project that I just came up with. I'll go ahead and show you what I used to do this. So to make this fall wreath, I'm just making a smaller one. You can definitely get these at any kind of craft store, or sometimes you can find just reusable wreaths in a thrift store. I like to do that and take the foliage off and just kind of redo them. So I'm using this wire one, and then to make the little corn husks, I just bought some of these corn husks that you can get at the store that they, I think, make tamales out of. And so just make sure you get a good pack. Some of them, you know, I might have to go through and pull out some of the ones that are a little bit damaged, but these only run a couple dollars at the store. And so instead of having to buy something from the craft store, sometimes these are a little bit more affordable. So I'm going to also use some wire to try to wrap around here so I can secure my husks on there. When you get these, a lot of times they cut them because they you know, make them easier to wrap for food, but I might want to shape them a little bit. You can just take a pair of scissors and shape them if you want to. I'm not sure which look I'm going to go for, but I might end up doing that. But I'm just going to take a couple of them together, and when I put them on here, I'm going to start wrapping them around and just overlapping them on. Okay, so I had to change the gauge of my wire. The other one I had is not very bendable, but this one is more pliable. You could probably also maybe hot glue this on here instead of just using wire, but I like to be able to take these apart in case I want to reuse this for something else later. This is starting to fan out really nicely, and I love using a lot of natural products. I've really gotten into using a lot more dried flowers and just things I can find around my farm, or just other natural ideas that you can get like on stores or anything like that to use in my projects. And I've seen these before. I've seen them run quite a bit online. And so this is just a really easy way to make your own little corn husk wreath without having to spend a whole lot of money. I love creating this piece. It is a great addition for any type of decor that you're still hanging up for fall, or maybe you have Thanksgiving that you're hosting at your house and you're trying to come up with different ways to decorate. And this was, again, super easy. This probably cost me less than $7 or even less than that to make this project. And I just wanted to share that with you guys real quick. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY tutorial today. Don't forget to stick around for some more DIYs, and I hope you guys have a great day.